Hi everyone. So today we are going to talk about the simple Java program to reverse each word in a sentence individually. So this class contains the main method to demonstrate the reversing words in a simple input and a utility method reverse words that reverse the each word in a given sentence. Suppose I am taking the example input is like listen maker. So in output I am going to reverse it the listen and maker. So in reverse I am going to get a completely reverse of the input. So how it works next? So the sentence is going to be split into the word by spaces and each word is reversed using the string builder dot reverse. And reverse words are concatenated with the spaces. And usage is like we are going to run the main method to see the output on the console. So now I go into the program. So in the public class reverse words, in the public static main methods, so we are giving the string input is Alison maker and string reversed equals to string reversed words input. So where we are going to call the reverse words method. So how we are going to write the reverse word method means the public static string reverse words and we are going to call the string sentence. So it is a string type data type. So string words equals to sentence dot split and string builder there is a mutable sequence of characters and I'm storing into the reverse sentence equals to new string builder. So here I'm using the enhanced for loop like for and it is string data type and the words like which I'm going to store into the word and string builder reverse word equals to new string builder word and a reversed word dot append and a reversed word dot reverse and two string dot append and finally I'm returning the reversed sentence dot two string dot string. So I'm calling this complete reversed word method into the main method. So string input equals to listen maker and string reverse equals to reverse both and input and taking the input. So here it got the reverse word logic and finally it will print the reversal. So see system.out.println so reverse. So it will print like this. So now I'm going to run this code. So you will see the how it is going to print output. So it's launching the reversed boards. So it will print like this output what I mentioned here. So let us see in the console. Yeah. So you see right. So it is going to print like this. So this how the reverse board works in the Java.